What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are going to put the modification I was talking about in the last video. If you haven't seen that video, go back and check it out. But anyway, I was talking about the modification, and that's what we're doing today, putting the modification on the 2020. And it would be actually, besides the tune, my first actual modification to the car. And this is what we're putting on the car. This is a Pipes X-Bomb catback. Now, this is something different than I've used in the past, and I wanted to try it out. I actually like how it's designed, and we're going to pretty much unbox it for you guys, show you the kit, and then we are going to install the kit onto the car, and we're going to have a before and after sound clip of revving the car. Let's unbox it, and let's see how well it's packaged. So Philip is here today. Hey guys, look, it's Philip.
Hey, long time no see, people.
Philip.
Wow.
So there we go. All right. Got the foams. Hey, I got a hat.
That's my hat.
What this look like? All right, so there's the tips. Got the pipes on it.
It's gonna be a single tip, or is it gonna be twin tip?
Twin tip.
Oh.
That's what that's for.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yep.
I'm an idiot, y'all.
All right, so we'll put that box back in its box for right now. We gotta make sure we got all the pieces here before we start. So this is the mufflers right here. This takes the place, this is the X pipe, it takes the place of the resonator, and these are the mufflers. And then the pipes go behind the mufflers and go out. So it's kind of, you kind of got piping. You know, most S550s, they've got the muffler at the rear and they got just a little bit of pipe. This actually has pipe going all the way out to the back, and the mufflers are more up under the car, closer to where the resonator would be. And they are a straight through design, like a bullet style muffler.
Yeah. Oh shit.
So it's not a lot of restriction at all.
No, it ain't.
So it's a very unrestricted exhaust, and that's what we're aiming to do, is let the Coyote breathe, especially for the forced induction that's going to be coming come spring. We're going to need to let this thing breathe. So I wanted a good free flowing exhaust, and after this, it's only wide pipe into the dual outlet that you'll see at the back of the car. So,
You know, this kind of reminds me of
what's that?
like the new Edge exhaust. You know how the mufflers were underneath the car?
Well, yeah, all the Mustangs used to be until the S197s, and then they went to the rear of the car. And it kind of gives the car a different sound when the muffler's at the rear and you don't have much pipe after the muffler. But with the being up under the car and pipe behind it, it'll kind of give a different sound. I'm hoping a little deeper sound.
It's a nice exhaust.
And then
I can actually sit in this angle. Was this 3-inch all the way through?
what?
It's a 3-inch exhaust.
Yeah.
Sweet.
But anyway, it goes in like that. So basically, that's how it's laid out right there, guys. As you see, you got the muffler, and then you got the pipe straight out. So very unrestricted muffler, bullet straight through. So it's gonna kind of muffle it a little bit. I don't know how it's gonna sound. It sounded good online, but you know how that goes. As you seen, we got the exhaust out. Now, if you noticed, I didn't take these loose. You got a bolt right here and a bolt right here. You can take these off. However, with the way that kit is in pieces, it's not really gonna matter because it's not one piece back there, so it's not nothing that we had to put on and then bolt up. So I decided to go ahead and leave that there. And how I did it is I just did the clamps, knocked them back, then I undid the brackets right here, pushed up and let them out, and then had Philip get back here, and we kind of tilted it down and then pulled it out of the hangers right here, And that way we didn't have to worry about unbolting them. If you got 2 people, it's one way you can do it. We're going to install the front and then work our way backwards. One thing I do want to point out is they only sent me 6 of these because you need 8. And in the instructions, it says 8. You need 2 right here, 2 right here, then 1, 2 right there, then 2 in the back. That makes 8. The instructions even say 8, and they shorted me 2 clamps.
So we had to run the part store.
So I ran like to 3 different part stores, and all they had was this style clamp. Now, this fits in there tight, so all you're doing is squeezing this onto this. So this will work. It's not really what I wanted to use. I'd rather use this. However, this will work. We're gonna go ahead and start installing this piece by piece, and then of course this piece will be first, and then we'll put each side on. And then once we get everything in place, we'll start adjusting and tightening up clamps. These are gonna be used on the front, and then we'll use these hangers, and of course the other hangers are on the back of the car.
Whoa.
Philip, Philip, hold on, Bubba. You gotta get these clamps first. We gotta knock these clamps off. Philip, anyway guys, we're gonna knock these clamps off, and I'm gonna show Philip what to do. So we're going to install these right here. Just like so. And then these, there's 12 and 12, they're the same part number, so they're gonna fit up in there, just like that.
Oh, that's why it didn't fit with me.
Yeah. That right there. All right, so according to the picture, this piece right here is going onto the bottom, so it'll be installed just like so. So you know what? It's probably gonna be easier to do it like this.
Yeah. Would be, wouldn't it? Try to tell him, y'all. He's not gonna put this in here.
Yeah, I am. All right, so now we'll put this in here. There you go. All right, so we're gonna slide the clamps over.
Get you some light.
I'm gonna put it like this. And then I got this right here holding this up. And then this is the left front. So it's gonna slide in just like this. We're going to slide this on to this. And then hang it. Like I said, we're not going to adjust anything, tighten anything down right now. We're just installing. So
Shot of that.
And bring it up here to right here. So that's basically where it's going to sit. I'm going to start the bolts in. And
oh, there it goes.
all right, there you go, guys. A little bit of a pain in the rear, as you can see.
It's kind of
The pipe
bent.
was a little bent right there. We had to do a little. Anyway, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go and slide this on here. Now this is where our hanger was at. That's why I say you can go ahead and just slide it on in. Slide on in right
That's
there.
so much more easy.
Yeah, and then slide this into here. And then like we're gonna let it hang right there. Like I said, we're gonna have to adjust and tighten as we go. So we'll get the other side. And now we're going to turn this. We're gonna hang this. Just like that. Take this. Plug this into this. All right, so we've got it installed. I got it pretty even on both sides. It was, let me tell you, it takes a little while to get it adjusted. I forgot my tripod at home, so we couldn't record, and I needed Philip's help to, when I twisted the pipe, to tighten the pipe and so forth and so forth. But as you can see, it's pretty straightforward. From where we put it together, from there on out, it is basically just aligning it and making it even on both sides, making it sit right on both sides. And overall, it's a good kit. I can't really knock it all that much. You know, it'd be nice if the tips were made onto the pipes, you know, already, so you didn't have to, you got a lot of adjustment. But for the plus side, there's a lot of adjustment. You know, we chose to go with the tips, the top of the tips up top instead of angled either way, and you could angle them, or, you know, whichever way you wanted to, and you could play around a little bit. As you see, the pipe is stepped, so we got it pretty even on both sides. You know, I had Corsa on my 17 and loved it, so basically we're gonna see how this sounds now. All right, so we're gonna start it up and let it warm up.
Oh great, here comes the rain.
Definitely deep. It's a lot louder. Got to let it warm up for a minute. All right, guys, we're gonna let it warm up, and last thing we want to do is rev up a cold engine. So we're gonna let it warm up, come up in temperature. All right, so we've got it warmed up, and man, I do like how those tips look. They are nice tips. All right, so far, I will say this real quick before we rev it. So far, what I wanted to accomplish with this exhaust, with having a muffler further up in the car, so far we have accomplished that with this kit. It is really deep at idle, and I really like it. So now we're gonna rev it, and we're gonna see how it sounds. So Philip, you wanna go ahead? Dude, that sounds so damn... Philip, you gotta hear it. Here. That's, oh, it sounds so good.
Let me get the camera. Dude, I was not suspecting that.
That sounds really good.
My ears kind of ring.
I am highly impressed. That is the sound that I was going after. All the aggravation I went through with getting this thing to fit, the clamps missing, all that is well worth that sound. That right there sounds amazing to me. Yeah, I'm a huge fan of the Pipes X-Bomb exhaust. Huge fan. Guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Next video we'll have a little more action, but we're gonna let you hear this exhaust sing. But anyway, guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time.
I'll wear it.
Here. Hey, hey, you're more than welcome to it. You know why? It's not flat bill. There you go. You're welcome.
Look, don't make fun of my hair, all right? It's a bad hair day.
I ain't taking my hat off.
Am I a cool kid now, Ken?
You're a cool kid now.
Dude, hold up. I got a big head.
You do got a massive damn head. Now I know what, never mind, wear a flat bill. Now I see why you don't wear a bendy hat.
Wow.
Dude, your head is massive. Dude, guys, look at this. Your head.
Oh, let me see, I gotta look at. Damn! Oh, look at that. Oh, wait, sorry, pipes. I want to put my Adidas back on.
Now okay, that fits you better. That fits you better.
Bigger hat for a big head.
I understand that now.
You see,
it always make fun of you. Never again. Never again will I make fun of you. Smells good, don't it?
It smells like corn. Yeah. Look at yo, Ken, watch this. Are you ready for this? Da 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 da. Or something pop.
Yeah, it's my back, bro. Now what?
You gotta keep that in there.